Enriched soil is the first step towards a thriving garden. Proper hydration is the key to flourishing plants. But how do we ensure our garden gets the water it needs without wasting this precious resource? That's where our ingenious watering hacks come in. Let's start with a DIY project that's not only eco-friendly, but also a great way to recycle. Have you ever thought about using old plastic bottles as a drip irrigation system? It's simple, cost-effective, and an excellent way to ensure your plants get the right amount of water directly to their roots. Just fill the bottle with water, drill a few holes in the cap, invert it near the plant, and voila! You have yourself a homemade drip irrigation system. This hack is especially useful for those who have a busy schedule but still want to maintain a lush garden. The slow drip ensures your plants are hydrated throughout the day without the risk of overwatering. Plus, it's a fantastic way to repurpose those plastic bottles that would otherwise end up in the landfill. Now, on to our next watering hack. Timing is everything. Watering your plants at specific times of the day can significantly conserve water and benefit your plants. The best times to water your garden are early in the morning or late in the evening. During these cooler parts of the day, less water will evaporate,